For dessert, I'm going to make hot chocolate from scratch and baked donuts. I hate to say it, but it's time to make the donuts. It's 1.5 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And these are our dry ingredients that we're just going to whisk up 1 second. 1/2 cup of milk. Pour that in. 1 egg. Mix that up a little bit. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and a little butter. Look at how simple. These are going to be delicious. Just that little bit of cinnamon is going to give them a wonderful cinnamony, spicy flavor. So I can't wait to get these in the oven and then in my tummy. 375, 10 minutes. Let's take these beautiful donut sticks out of the oven and let them cool. I'm going to take it up a notch and make a glaze. 2 cups of confectionery sugar. We play the milk by ear. Let's see how that works. And that's looking pretty good. The excess will fall off into the tray. Oh, and these will be perfect for dipping into hot chocolate. Now, let's get started on that homemade hot chocolate. I'm chopping 16 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate to go into 1/2 gallon of milk. And that's going to make the best hot chocolate these kids have ever had. This is a little different than something you'd get out of one of those little powder packages, but well worth the time and the energy that it takes to make it. What a nice fragrance. Our 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 cinnamon sticks, and a little bit of vanilla. And that's it. And you just want to simmer it. And when you see the steam, we are ready to pour. And those cakey donut sticks are going to be so phenomenal when you dip them. Oh,